Due to the COVID-19 crisis, the opening of IdeaSpace has been delayed. The building's resources, however, are not going to waste. The facility has been converted into a workshop with a fleet of 12 3D printers. The printers are making personal protective equipment for medical personnel. This includes ear guards, masks, and face shields. Ear guards are used to reduce strain on the ears while wearing medical masks. Each face shield takes 4.5 hours to print. We use rubber bands as a strap and a 3-hole punched sheet of transparency film for the shield. Once the pieces are ready, a face shield can be assembled in under a minute. A 3D printed nylon strap is used to affix the transparency film to the headband. The face shield is then ready for use and can be easily disassembled for cleaning. 2 protective masks can be printed in just under 10 hours. The masks require 1 3D printed filter guard, 2 elastic straps, 1 piece of weather stripping, and a filter to assemble. First, the weather stripping is adhered to the edge of the mask to create a seal around the wearer's face. The elastic straps are then fed through the holes in the mask. The filter goes inside the mask and is held in place by the filter guard. The filter should be changed once a day. The face mask is then ready for use. Production has also begun on stethoscopes for Mary Washington Hospital. More updates on the future of IdeaSpace will be coming soon.